welcome back to my channel. This is me Shazia. In today's video I'm here with another Miniso product review, and this time I'm going to be reviewing their double-ended thick and thin liquid eyeliner, and this is how it looks like. I really love the color of the packaging. It's very beautiful, blue in color, blue and shiny. So yeah guys, the thing is I do not have any of the product details on because there was a plastic covering, like a plastic case on top of the eyeliner, and that had all of the details. And to open the eyeliner I had to obviously remove the plastic case, so I do not have any of the product details, and all of those details were printed on the plastic case, and obviously I threw it, so I do not have the details, and that's like a little disappointment. So guys, the price of this eyeliner is 1580. Again, I am not sure about the INR. I think you will have to visit the offline Miniso stores to know the price and to get this product. So yeah, and the most interesting part about this eyeliner, like you guys can see, it's double-ended, thick and thin. So this has two ends to it. So one is the thin tip, like you can see. So let me just swatch it also along. So you can see the pigment, it's really pigmented and it gives a good coverage, like you can see. And then this side is the thick end one, like you can see, and this is the swatch of the thick line. Very pigmented, you guys, just look at that. And yes, by the way, we at least have the product quantity, like you guys can see, 0.75 grams and made in China. At least that is mentioned on the outer packaging. So yeah, alright you guys, so the eyeliner has already dried in 5-6 seconds, and let me just try to smudge this. So like you can see, this is completely transfer proof and smudge proof. It does not smudge at all, like you can see. Now let us see whether this is water resistant or waterproof. So let me just quickly pour some water and show you guys. So like you can see, this is kind of water resistant because the eyeliner is not really coming off. But when you actually rub it, you can see it is coming off really well. So I'm rubbing like really lightly and you can see the product is coming off completely. So yes, this is not a waterproof eyeliner, however it is water resistant. So since it is water resistant eyeliner but it's not waterproof, so when you actually when your eyes get exposed to water or sweat, this does start to fade off after 3-4 hours. For the long lasticity, it does last like 5 to 6 hours, but like I just said, if your eyes do get exposed to water or sweat, then it does start to fade away, but it does not fade away completely from your eyes if you just pour water but not really rub your eyes, which I'm sure no one does. So yeah, so that way it doesn't completely come off, but it just fades a little bit, like not a lot. You can still see the eyeliner, but when you come like really close, or if someone sees it from a very close view, they can see that the eyeliner is kind of faded off, but from a distance you cannot really make it out. So that's again a really good part about the eyeliner. Also guys, one more quick thing to mention is that since this is a pen type eyeliner, it's perfect for beginners and it's very easy to apply. If you're beginner to eyeliners and you have a little challenging time applying eyeliners, making those wings, then you should get a pen type eyeliner, and I would highly suggest you the Miniso one, which with the demo I will be showing you guys how this eyeliner looks on the eyes, and then you can decide for yourself if you would like to purchase this one. By the way guys, just a quick mention, I have also applied a Miniso nail paint itself today. So this is the one, I've just kept it on the side just to show you guys. Again, I'm not really reviewing this product or anything, just mentioning it. So this is also from Miniso, like you can see. And by the way, this is a completely non-sponsored video, just because I'm showing two Miniso products in one. Don't think it's sponsored or anything of that sort. This is completely my own honest opinions and my own honest review. So this is the nail paint from Miniso, like you can see, Miniso is mentioned, and the shade is light brown. So 1080, it's really cheap, and by the way, the shade is also matching my table. I love the shade. It gives a very nice girly vibe, and there are a lot of shades available, by the way, in the same range. Also the packaging, I really love it. It's very luxurious. So if you're looking again for a good nail paint, you can definitely try the Miniso ones, and like I just said, they have a lot of shades as well. So I'm starting to apply the eyeliner from the thick end, and I'm going to be creating a thick line on my upper lash line with it. So I'm also going to be drawing a wing, and for the wing I'll be using the thin side of the eyeliner, and like you can see it just glides on so smoothly on your eyes, you guys. Just with one swipe you get the full pigment of the eyeliner. Now I'm just drawing the inner corner wing, and please don't judge my inner corner wing. I'm still not perfect at it with so many years of practice, but yeah, that's why I most of the times avoid the inner corner wings. But anyways, so now from the thin end I'm creating the wing, and I'm also going to make a line on my lower lash line, just joining it with the wing. So I personally did not find any cons with this eyeliner, you guys. Overall, the only thing I felt is the product details are not mentioned on the packaging. It is mentioned on the plastic case, and I threw it like I just mentioned in the beginning of the video. And the second thing is that it's not available in online as of now, and also the INR is not known. You will have to visit the Miniso stores to know the price and availability. So now I'm going to be applying mascara and finishing off the eye look. I hope you guys found the review helpful. If you have any queries on the product, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.